Hello and welcome back to Healthforyou, the channel where we dive deep into natural remedies, health tips, and wellness secrets that can truly transform your life. Today, we're going to explore a simple household item that's been hiding in plain sight, one that might just surprise you with its power. You know it as the stuff you throw into cookie dough, or maybe even the secret behind those classic school science fair volcanoes. But baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is much more than a kitchen staple. In fact, it has a wide range of unexpected health benefits that go far beyond baking or cleaning. In this video, we'll uncover 7 amazing ways baking soda can boost your health, from soothing heartburn to improving workout performance. Stick with us until the end. You might never look at that little white powder the same way again. Fitness lovers, take note. Baking soda is more than just a post-workout deodorizer. It might actually improve your performance. During intense physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid, which builds up and, causes fatigue and soreness. Baking soda, thanks to its alkaline nature, can help neutralize that acid, delaying fatigue and improving endurance. Some athletes even take baking soda as a supplement before high-intensity workouts, like sprinting or weightlifting, to extend peak performance. Just a tip: always consult with a health professional before ingesting baking soda regularly. Too much can lead to digestive issues or sodium overload. And yes, after your workout, a sprinkle of baking soda under your arms works great as a natural deodorant, keeping odor at bay without harsh chemicals. One of the more medically promising benefits of baking soda lies in its potential to support kidney function. Chronic kidney disease is a serious condition that slowly reduces the kidney's ability to filter waste from the blood. Studies suggest that baking soda may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by helping maintain a healthy pH balance in the body. In one study, patients with chronic kidney disease who took sodium bicarbonate regularly had a 36% lower risk of kidney failure. This is especially important because maintaining proper acid-base balance reduces the strain on weakened kidneys. Important: never self-prescribe baking soda for medical conditions like chronic kidney disease. Always talk to a healthcare provider first. Relieving arthritis and joint inflammation. Rheumatoid arthritis is a painful autoimmune disorder that causes joint swelling, stiffness, and, honestly, long-term damage. But according to a 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology, baking soda may offer a natural method of support. The research found that drinking water mixed with baking soda activated the body's anti-inflammatory response, helping reduce immune system attacks on the joints. This doesn't replace medication, but it could serve as a low-cost complementary therapy for people suffering from inflammation-related issues. Baking soda in cancer treatment. This is where things get interesting and, well, where we must be cautious. Preliminary research suggests that baking soda might help cancer patients by reducing tumor acidity. Tumors thrive in acidic environments, and by alkalizing the area, baking soda may help make cancer cells more vulnerable to chemotherapy. However, most of these studies have been conducted in animals or lab settings. Human trials are still limited, and more research is needed to confirm these effects. Disclaimer: baking soda is not a cure for cancer, and it should never be used without direct medical supervision. Who would have guessed that something so common and affordable could have so many health benefits? From treating heartburn to potentially helping with kidney disease and athletic performance, baking soda is a powerful multitasker. Of course, it's important to use it responsibly. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new health practice, especially if you have existing conditions or are on medication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future tips from Healthforyou. Have you used baking soda for any of these purposes? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your stories and tips. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.